Home chefs and cooking enthusiasts, there's always room for more kitchen gadgets that make life easier. In this video, we will show you 14 kitchen gadgets that will streamline your cooking process and add fun to your kitchen routine. Let's get started. This versatile duo takes peeling, julienning, and more to the next level of efficiency. The star of the show is the multi-blade Y-shaped peeler. With a simple spin of the dual-wheel design, you can easily swap between three ultra-sharp stainless steel blades: a standard straight edge for tough skins, a serrated blade that glides through delicate fruits like tomatoes, and a julienne blade for making veggie noodles and salads in seconds. But that's not all. This set also includes a classic straight potato peeler. Its flexible blade hugs curves to remove potato eyes and imperfections with ease, saving you valuable prep time. Say goodbye to wilted, wasted herbs and hello to long-lasting freshness with the brilliant OXO Good Grips GreenSaver Herb Keeper. We've all been there. You buy a beautiful bunch of basil, parsley, or cilantro only to have it turn limp and inedible just days later. But the GreenSaver's patented design creates the optimal humid environment to keep herbs hydrated and crisp for up to a week or more. Here's how the magic happens. Simply place your herbs in the removable inner basket, then add a bit of water to the outer container. This allows air to continuously circulate around the herbs while the lid traps in moisture to maintain peak humidity. This brilliant machine makes whipping up fresh, preservative-free nut milks incredibly fast and unbelievably easy. No more laborious soaking, straining, and blending. With NUTR, simply toss in your favorite nuts or grains, add any desired flavorings, fill the waterline, and hit blend. In minutes, you'll have a smooth, rich, creamy plant-based beverage ready to enjoy. But NUTR's versatility doesn't stop at just milks. Use it to craft luscious hot or iced lattes, frothy smoothies, refreshing shakes, and more. 3 temperature settings give you full control: room temp for oat and chilled milks, warm for cozy beverages, or piping hot for safely consuming boiled soy and rice drinks. This is no ordinary toaster. BALMUDA utilizes steam technology to envelop your bread, bagels, croissants, and more in a thin, vaporous layer. The steam heating crisps the outside to golden perfection while trapping precious moisture inside, creating an incredible contrast of crunch and fluffiness in every bite. But the magic doesn't stop there. With precise temperature control across 3 distinct zones, BALMUDA achieves unparalleled mastery over flavor and texture. The result? An outer crust that's deliciously savory and crisp, while the inner crumb stays light, warm, and amazingly soft. Upgrade your Stanley Cup experience with the Beonsky replacement straw set. These high-quality, reusable straws are the perfect accessory for sipping all your favorite hot or cold beverages. Made from premium food-grade Tritan plastic, the same durable BPA-free material as the original Stanley straws, you can trust these replacements to be odorless, sturdy, and built to last. Each extra-thick straw measures a generous 12.113 inches long by 0.375 inches wide to fit seamlessly in 30-aughts and 40-aughts Stanley Cups. But the impressive quality goes beyond just the material. These straws can stand up to extreme temperatures without warping, cracking, or imparting weird tastes to your drinks. This versatile little companion brings pro-level weighing precision right to your countertop. With an impressive 4 high-precision sensors, this scale delivers amazingly accurate measurements down to the single gram, or all the way up to an impressive 11 pounds. Perfect for portioning everything from delicate spice blends to hefty roasts and doughs. But what really sets this scale apart is its incredible flexibility. Easily toggle between 4 different units of measurement, including grams, ounces, pounds, and milliliters. No more struggling with confusing conversions for international recipes. This compact kitchen gadget makes quick work of coring and evenly slicing whole apples in seconds. Using the slicer couldn't be simpler. Just place an apple stem side down, then firmly push the slicer's sharp stainless steel blades all the way through the fruit. No struggle required, even for mega crisp apples. Next, flip the attached safety cover underneath to catch the slices, then give it one final push to release 16 perfect, evenly cut pieces. It's that easy. Push, flip, and pop. The clever cover acts as a barrier to protect your fingers from those razor-sharp blades, letting you slice with confidence. Elevate your wine-opening game with the ultra-premium Beneno wing corkscrew. Crafted from durable, corrosion-resistant zinc alloy, the Beneno is built to provide a lifetime of reliable cork pulling. But it's the ingenious mechanical gear system that really steals the show. Unlike frustrating corkscrews that bend or slip, Beneno's stable rivet design with centered screw prevents wayward movements. The screw enters corks smoothly and stays firmly in place as you pull, eliminating crumbling messes. And speaking of that screw, it received a subtle sharpening process along the spiral edges to slice cleanly through corks without tearing. Introducing the KitchenAid Measuring Cup Set, the essential kitchen companion for precise measurements. Crafted with durable, BPA-free plastic, each cup features clearly marked measurements in both metric and imperial units, ensuring accuracy for all your recipes. The soft grip handles provide a comfortable and controlled grip, perfect for use with wet or dry ingredients. This stylish set is designed for effortless organization. The cups nest neatly together and attached to a secure plastic ring, keeping them tidy in your drawers or cabinets. And cleanup is a breeze. Simply pop them in the dishwasher when you're done. The Newness stainless steel pineapple corer. Made with high-quality stainless steel, this innovative tool is built to last, easy to use, and a breeze to clean. With just a simple twist or push, its ergonomic handle effortlessly peels, cores, and slices an entire pineapple in seconds. Create perfect pineapple rings one at a time, or cut up the whole fruit at once with ease. But that's not all. This ingenious corer preserves the pineapple's outer shell intact, allowing you to use it as a beautiful serving bowl. Perfect for creating a tropically themed presentation, sure to impress your guests. Elevate your ice cube experience with the DOQAUS Ice Cube Tray with lid and bin. Say goodbye to flimsy, easily breakable ice trays. The DOQAUS tray is built robust to withstand repeated freezing without cracking or warping over time. Its smart design, featuring separate cube compartments, allows for effortless ice removal. Simply push up from the bottom for perfect cubes every time. No awkward twisting required. But the convenience doesn't stop there. Integrated lid lifters make it a breeze to cover the trays before freezing, preventing spills and absorbing freezer odors. When it's time to enjoy your cubes, the entire tray set is dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleaning. Introducing the KITEXPERT Meat Tenderizer Hammer, the key to transforming tough cuts into mouth-wateringly tender dishes. The dual-sided hammerhead gives you versatility. Use the textured side to break down tough muscle fibers, creating a softer, more flavorful protein. Or flip to the smooth side to easily flatten steaks or cutlets. But this professional mallet is more than just a tenderizer. It's a true kitchen multitasker, perfect for crushing ice for cocktails, garlic for recipe prep, even hard candy for baking. A great all-in-one tool for any cooking application. Introducing the versatile Codoule Slicer, your new secret weapon for perfectly sliced eggs, fruits, and more. This tool makes quick work of hard-boiled eggs, strawberries, mushrooms, and even butter or cheese. The key is its razor-sharp stainless steel wires that glide through foods with ease. But don't let their delicate appearance fool you. These wires are built to last for years of slicing. With its ergonomic aluminum alloy design, the Codoule Slicer fits comfortably in your hand. Simply place your food in the slot and press down gently for beautiful, even slices every time. This versatile handheld tool takes the effort out of grating, making it effortless to create fluffy piles of freshly shredded cheese, chocolate shavings, or finely grated nuts. The key is its efficient crank design that requires very little hand pressure to operate. Simply secure your food item and let the stainless steel blades do the work for you with a simple turn of the handle. But convenience doesn't stop there. This grater folds up compactly for easy storage when not in use. And with its non-slip knob and easy disassembly, it's a breeze to use for both left and right-handed grating.